Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in PNC Financial Services, beginner guide step by step clearly. Investing in PNC Financial Services can be a rewarding opportunity. First, begin by researching PNC Financial Services to understand its business model and financial health. Visit the company's official website and explore their latest financial statements. Look for key metrics such as revenue growth, profit margins, and debt levels to assess stability. Next, monitor current news and developments related to PNC Financial Services. Market trends, economic conditions, and regulatory changes can significantly impact your investment. Once you've gathered this information, consider your investment goals. Determine if you're looking for long-term growth, dividends, or a combination of both. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers user-friendly platforms and competitive fees. After setting up your account, fund it with money you're ready to invest. It's important to invest only what you can afford to lose, particularly as a beginner. Next, decide how much of your portfolio you'd like to allocate to PNC Financial Services. Diversification is key, so consider spreading your investments across different sectors. Now, use your brokerage account to research PNC's stock price and recent performance. Analyze charts and track historical price fluctuations for better insight. When you're ready to invest, place a buy order for PNC shares through your brokerage platform. You can choose between market orders and limit orders based on your preferences. After purchasing the shares, monitor your investment regularly. Stay informed about PNC Financial Services through earnings reports and market news. Consider setting a strategy for when to sell your shares, whether at a profit or to cut losses. Review and adjust your investment strategy periodically to align with your financial goals. Finally, educate yourself continuously about investing in market dynamics. Building knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions for future investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.